Hello guys, welcome to Rich Boy Tech. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a celebrity booking and ticket selling website. So this is a premium celebrity website where you can book any celebrity. So you can see, look at all the celebrity here. So you can decide to add more celebrity or you can decide to use only one celebrity. So let's just try and book Mr. Tracy. Look at the booking page. So it comprises of your name, your email, phone number, street name, city, state, country, booking type. You can decide to book private party or meet and greet. You put the booking date and the time. So we are trying to book an artist. Note booking, submit booking. Booking successful. So here is the payment page where you can choose to make payment. You can choose to make payment with Bitcoin, USDT, PayPal, account, or Cash App. So I will teach you guys how to edit this payment method if you want to put your own payment method. So let's say we want to make a payment using PayPal. So all we have to do is copy the PayPal email, make the payment. After making the payment, we upload the screenshots. Let's just say this is the screenshot of the payment. Click on confirm payment. So it will send a notification to email. So let me take you guys to how the admin dashboard look like. This is how the admin / owner session look like. So let's check the booking that we just booked right now. Well, you can see it's $1 million amount, so you can view it. So this is the payment details. So you can choose to accept, decline, or delete once you receive the payment or not. So let me show you some other things in this website. This is the dashboard. So in this website, we have different booking type. This is where you add any celebrity. Let's try add a celebrity. The Rock, actor. So about celebrity. To get the about, you can easily go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write the about of any celebrity you want to upload. Let's, for example, write an about page for The Rock. So while it is writing the about page, let's try and download the photo. You can go to Google and search for The Rock. Look for any suitable picture of the celebrity you want to use and download it. So you can upload it when client wants to book or meet and greet with The Rock. So we copy the about page, we paste it here. You can decide to add more, anything you want. So this is an example. You can decide to edit it, write anything you want. So let's upload the picture here. This is the picture. Click on add celebrity. So The Rock will be added to the site. So let's check the site if we will see The Rock there. This is the site. Let's refresh. Okay. The Rock. Okay, look at him here. So you can decide to book him now. Let's book The Rock. You can decide to book or donate. Look at the about page of The Rock. So you can see the about page is the same thing with the ChatGPT we copied. So let's try and add booking type. Let's add a booking type. So let's add pool party. Pool party. Let's put it as $2 million. This is an example though. So you can decide to add any booking. You can decide to add meet and greet shows, private party, pool party, anything. So let's try and book The Rock for private party. So you can see this is the about page of The Rock. So let's book now. Just fill in the details, input the email, then notes. Okay, booking type pool party $2 million. You can see the booking type. So you put the dates you want him to be at your pool party. 11 p.m. I just write anything. Pool party booking. Pool party booking. So submit booking. It will redirect you to payment page. Booking successful. So it will redirect you to where you can make payment for the booking. So you can pay with Bitcoin, USDT, PayPal. Let's try and edit this payment gateway. So to do that, go to the admin dashboard and click on payment wallet. So you will see different wallets. So let's delete BOA. Let's delete this BOA payment. Let's delete it from the admin. Delete it. So let's refresh. You will not see BOA again. As you can see, the BOA is deleted. So let's add payment. Let's add our own payment. Let's add, let's say Ethereum, ETH. Let's just put a random wallet. Let's just put wallet. So this is an example. So you can just put your ETH wallet. So go back to the payment section. Refresh. You can see the ETH. Click the ETH. You bring out the wallet details. You can copy it and make the payment. Once the client or user make the payment, you upload it. So once you receive the payment, you can approve it. So this is the site. If you need the site, contact me. This is the live chat. This is where you can chat with the site. Maybe you want to book a celebrity. Let me try and reply this live chat. Hello, I made the payment. Let me log in the live chat on my phone and reply it. So you can see that everything is active. Okay. See you soon. Okay, yeah, you can see it. So you can decide to check live with on the website. You can decide to add your WhatsApp number. If you have an international WhatsApp number, you can add it to the website. So this is the meet and greet session. In case you want to meet any celebrity, you follow the same procedure. These are the celebrity. You can decide to add any celebrity you want. So let's try meet and greet. Who do I want to meet? Let's go for another celebrity. Let's say Tom Cruise. So you can write anything at the note. I want to meet Tom Cruise. Click on submit to show you success. So it will direct you to the same payment method. So this is where you make your payment for meet and greet. So this website comprises of celebrity, orphanage, fan card, tickets, everything. So let's go to another category. Let's try and do tickets. Sorry, fan card. Let's do fan card. So but before that, this is the site setting. This is where you upload your logo, your Fiverr.com, the website name, the email you wanted to compare with. If you have a Facebook page, this is where you put a link. So let's input a WhatsApp now. Let's put a random WhatsApp number. Added. Let's go back to the site and refresh. You see, yes, the WhatsApp just pop up. Let's click it. You will see this is the direct WhatsApp number we imputed in the admin settings. So look at the number. So you can decide to add your Facebook link, your Twitter link, your Instagram link, your WhatsApp, anything. So let's go for fan card now. As you can see, we only have one fan card here. Let's add another fan card. To do that, go to the admin section and click on fan card. Let's add another fan card now. Let's add a diamond. Let's just call it a diamond ticket. Price, let's say $20,000. So go to Google and search for diamond tickets. Let's download the picture. Images. So, okay, this second one is okay. Let's go for the second one. Save it to your device so we can upload it. So just put price. In the price, just write anything. Just write, this is a diamond. This is a diamond ticket. So you upload the diamond card. Click on add card. As you can see, the card have been added. So let's go back and refresh. As you can see, we now have 2 cards. You can decide to add multiple cards or any amount of card you want. So if you need this website, contact me. The link is on the description. No, this is for educational purpose only. So kindly like, share, and subscribe. If you need any website, both shipping, Bitcoin, any investment websites, message me using the description below. Thank you. Bye for now.